Well, 680,204. That's the number of patients who visit Children's of Alabama just last year. On this Giving Tuesday, we need your help to support one of the busiest pediatric hospitals in the entire nation. WVTM 13 Sarah Killian is live and local at the hospital for us this morning. Sarah, Children's of Alabama has touched countless lives across our state.
Yeah, that's right, Scott. If you are a parent, a grandparent, an aunt or uncle, you likely know a child that's been impacted by Children's of Alabama. They help children all across the state of Alabama, not just here in the Birmingham metro area. The work they do here is truly incredible. And what's really incredible has been your donations already rolling in this morning. I mean, here we are. It's just after 5:30. We're already seeing so many people waking up and giving money here to WVTM 13's Day of Giving. We have our team standing by. They are taking your donations. They're tracking those this morning. They've been giving me some of the numbers here, and you guys were just getting really excited. We have a donation that just came in. $1,000. That is incredible. I don't know if you guys heard that, but we have a $1,000 donation. Danny and Crystal from Gadsden, thank you so much for your incredible generosity. I want to give a shout out to a few more folks here. We got Lindley from Vestavia, Bessie from Centerpoint, Serena from Chelsea. We are so grateful for you guys giving to WVTM 13's Day of Giving. And truly incredible the donations that we've already seen rolling in. And again, every dollar given today here in WVTM 13's Day of Giving goes to help Children's of Alabama and the hundreds of thousands of patients that they help every year here in the state of Alabama. One of the lives impacted by Children's is Shep Maddox. Cerebral palsy can be debilitating for anyone, and some children living with the condition. But with the help of the staff at Children's of Alabama, this kid from Hoover is not slowing down. WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn sat down with a 9-year-old who is a sports fanatic to talk about how Children's helped him.
Shep Maddox was born at 30 weeks in 3 days. And ever since then, life hasn't always been easy for him.
You don't want to have to watch your child go through pain and don't want to have to, watch them struggle. But with struggle comes grit. And he has come through so much with keeping his smile and keeping a great attitude.
Shep's parents, Katie and Richard, got life-changing news, a cerebral palsy diagnosis when he was just 8 months old.
It just so happens to be our sons that have used Children's of Alabama, and we're really grateful.
Giving Shep the quality care he needed to beat the odds for the past 6 years.
That has been amazing to be able to know, okay, whatever he needs, we're going to be able to get that when we take him to Children's.
Becoming an unlikely family with the staff who helped this sports fanatic simply just be a kid.
How's that feel?
We have spent so much time with them. The amount of confidence that we have in them, and the encouragement that they gave us throughout those hard times.
Green.
Now he's more active and stronger than ever, running faster, walking around theme parks, and even trick-or-treating and playing at the beach without assistance.
He is able to move through his world in a way that once seemed out of reach, and that is a gift that we will never be able to stop being grateful for. We will forever be grateful for that.
In Hoover, Aaron Llewellyn, WVTM 13.